Let's vlog. Okay, ang dami naman tao dito sa Shibuya Crossing. Tapos, so fun, so good. Ang ganda ng place. Parang New York. I think if I imagine New York, kung anong itsura, maybe this. Kasi buhay na part siya ng Tokyo. And I love it here. So beautiful. Even though wala ako pinupuntahan, tawid na ako ng tawid. Kasi ang saya ko mawid sa Shibuya Crossing. Shibuya Crossing, let's go! Tawid-tawid na ako ng Shibuya Crossing ilang beses. Went to some arcades and then finally I wanna see yung Hachiko Square. Story of this dog na sobrang loyal and everything. So, let's go! Exploring Tokyo by myself! So cool though. So, arte ko magsalita. Ano ba to? Pero yun, I love Shibuya. So may store here na opening nila. Tapos ako yung last customer na 100 yen lang yung mga burger. One burger 100 yen. So that's around 38.50 pesos. 38 pesos burger. I love Shibuya. Mahal ako ng Diyos. Ayun nga, 100 yan lang. Like 40 pesos. 40 pesos, 40 pesos. Such a big burger, 40. Okay, so I'm walking home. It's 22:53 or 11. I think almost 11. And there's no one else here on the street. And yun, keep me safe. God, ang takpang ko, naglalakad ako mag-isa ng gabi na. Pero actually, it's a very safe country. Like, hindi mo mafe-feel na nakakatakot maglakad sa gabi kasi mailaw yung daan. Tsaka yung mga kapwa kang exchange student na motivate naman ako kasi sabi nila they come home at like midnight talaga, tapos okay lang naman, safe naman. Of course, I'm still careful, pero ayun, I just wanted to share this privilege. Although I really hope I'm safe, huwag akong multuhin dito, please, please, please. Or like bad people, wag naman. See how empty, like para siyang abandoned, pero like mahaba pa siya na walang tao.